Almost immediately, Joe Biden put the U.S. back into the Paris Agreement and halted the border wall, then turned to the ongoing COVID chaos. He was able to perform quickly because Democrats control both houses of Congress. Typical of many, if not most, presidencies, control of Congress would switch in 2 years. Biden's early actions included the distribution of the COVID vaccine, expanded unemployment insurance, and sending out stimulus checks of $1,400 to each of us. I don't understand why he didn't cap them based on some reasonable income level, say those making under 50,000 a year. It made sense for my grandkid and family to get help, but not me. That added over $1 trillion to the federal deficit. As mentioned earlier, vaccine development was fast-tracked by Trump, which paid off with an effective vaccine by the end of the year. A key new technique was mRNA, made possible by the discovery of CRISPR gene editing technology. Clinical trials were accelerated with vaccines produced by Pfizer and Moderna. There are side effects. Operation Warp Speed worked with production at scale by Johnson & Johnson, AstraZeneca, and GlaxoSmithKline. I remember vaccines were available through Austin Public Health in a convenient parking lot. We had an appointment and sat in our cars in line, arrived at the vaccine tent, and stuck out our bare arms. The shots were quick. That was it. It was reassuring, even if mask wearing and social distancing continued. Even with the vaccines, we got mild cases of COVID. Despite the vaccine efforts, there were over 103 million confirmed cases of COVID and over 1.2 million deaths in the U.S. The national emergency did not end until 2023. According to the World Health Organization, there were almost 780 million cases and over 7 million reported deaths. It was estimated that actual deaths were 2 to 3 times higher, possibly over 30 million. COVID caused panic, economic disruptions, and job losses. Schools switched to online classes, causing problems for people without the computer infrastructure. Essential work continued, including healthcare workers really exposed to COVID. The stock market went up from 2020 to 2024, driven by a quick recovery from panic, AI, and technology companies. Big corporations know how to make a buck. I will quote Google. COVID significantly altered food access, safety, and consumption, doubling severe global food insecurity to 276 million due to supply chain disruptions and income loss. It forced shifts in spending towards home cooking, causing initial panic buying and prompted rapid adoption of online grocery shopping and food delivery services. Safety protocols were added, which further reduced transmission. There was considerable resistance to vaccines, economic shutdowns, and all the rest, particularly in what's called red states. Biden and more next time on Food History and Mystery.